Hello everyone, this is Urvashi Chauhan and I welcome you back to Courts Today by Livelaw. We bring to you the latest and in-depth legal coverage. Here is a brief of what all happened in the Indian courts today. Starting with the Supreme Court, which today granted interim bail on medical grounds to Aam Aadmi Party leader and former cabinet minister in Delhi government, Satyender Jain, who has been under custody since May 2022 as an under trial in a money laundering case. The order was passed by a vacation bench comprising Justice J.K. Maheshwari and Justice P.S. Narasimha. The bench granted him interim bail for 6 weeks to get treated in a private hospital of his choice. The bail is subject to conditions imposed by the trial court. For example, Jain shall not go to the media to make any statement on any issue and that he shall not attempt to influence the witnesses. Also, the bench today did not accept the Enforcement Directorate's objection that Jain should be independently evaluated by the AIIMS Delhi. The matter will be considered next on July 11th when the bench will consider Jain's latest medical reports. As you already know, TMC leader and MP Abhishek Banerjee has been accused in the West Bengal school job scam case. Last month, Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay had given liberty to the CBI and Enforcement Directorate to interrogate him. Post this, he filed a plea before the Calcutta High Court to recall this order, which was dismissed. He then filed an SLP before the Supreme Court. Today, the Supreme Court vacation bench comprising Justice J.K. Maheshwari and Justice P.S. Narasimha issued notice on his special leave petition. The court also stayed the direction of the Calcutta High Court, which imposed costs of Rs 25 lakhs on him for filing the recall application. The bench has posted the matter after vacations. Stay tuned for further updates. The Supreme Court today stayed the Telangana High Court order which directed that T. Gangi Reddy, accused in the Y.S. Vivekanand Reddy murder case, be released on bail from July 1st. The vacation bench of Supreme Court stayed the High Court direction till July 14th. The direction was passed in a petition filed by Sunitha Reddy, daughter of deceased Y.S. Vivekanand Reddy, challenging the High Court order. Today, the Supreme Court bench, while noting that it did not wish to rush the matter, stayed the Telangana High Court order and decided to hear the matter on July 10th, post-summer vacations. In another update, the Supreme Court today refused to entertain the public interest litigation seeking a direction that the inauguration of the new Parliament building should be done by the President of India and not the Prime Minister. After the vacation bench expressed disinclination to entertain the PIL filed by Advocate C.R. Jayasukin, the petitioner withdrew the matter. Op India's CEO Rahul Roshan and editor Nupur Sharma have approached the Madras High Court seeking quashing of the FIR registered against them for allegedly spreading fake news about migrant workers of Bihar in Tamil Nadu. Police in Avadi city had registered the case against them for making statements and publishing defamatory content, thus promoting enmity between different groups of people. The case was registered upon a complaint lodged by Surya Prakash, a member of the IT wing of the ruling DMK party. Roshan and Sharma had first approached the Supreme Court seeking to quash the FIR. The Supreme Court, however, refused relief and observed that they had an alternative remedy of approaching the High Court. The Supreme Court also granted them protection from any coercive action based on the FIR for 4 weeks, allowing them to avail the judicial remedies. When the matter was taken up by the vacation bench of Justice Sathi Kumar S.K., today the court adjourned the matter to be taken up by the regular court after vacation. And now coming to an important update from the Allahabad High Court, which today transferred to itself all the suits pending before the Mathura court, praying for various reliefs pertaining to the Shri Krishna Janambhoomi Shahi Idgah Mosque dispute. With this, the bench of Justice Arvind Kumar Mishra allowed the transfer application moved by Bhagwan Shri Krishna Virajman and 7 others. The transfer plea had been moved on the ground that the issues involved in the suits pending before the Mathura court concern crores of devotees of Lord Krishna and the matter is of national importance. Hence, the same should be transferred to the High Court. The court allowed the petition and directed the District Judge Mathura to prepare a list of all such cases of similar nature involving the subject matter to be forwarded to the court within 2 weeks. And now coming to the updates from the Delhi High Court. The Reserve Bank of India today defended its recent decision to withdraw Rs 2,000 notes from circulation and informed the Delhi High Court that it is only a currency management exercise and not demonetization. The PIL has been filed by Advocate Rajneesh Bhaskar Gupta, who contends that RBI has no independent power under the Reserve Bank of India Act to take such a decision. After hearing the parties, the division bench of Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma and Justice Subramaniam Prasad listed the matter on Monday and asked the parties to submit a short note in the matter. In a related news, the same bench earlier this week reserved judgment on a similar PIL challenging RBI and State Bank of India's notifications that permit exchange of Rs 2,000 currency notes without requirement of any identity proof. The Delhi High Court today dismissed a bunch of pleas moved by Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Aam Aadmi Party and other charitable trusts, challenging the decision of income tax authorities to transfer their tax assessments to the Central Circle. A division bench of Justice Manmohan and Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma dismissed the petitions and observed that the transfer was in accordance with law. However, the court clarified that it did not examine the matter on merits and that the parties were at liberty to raise all their contentions and submissions before the concerned statutory authorities. In another update, the Delhi High Court today pulled up the Delhi police over no action taken against the man who allegedly made hate speech and posted offensive tweets against Mohammad Zubair in August 2020. Zubair had replied to his tweet by sharing the profile picture of the user with his granddaughter. The user then filed multiple complaints against Zubair, accusing him of causing cyber sexual harassment of his granddaughter. The Delhi police had previously informed the court that no criminality was found in the tweet posted by Zubair. Today, as the Delhi police informed the court that it was conscious of the directions of Supreme Court on the action to be taken in hate speech cases, Justice Bambani sought a status report from it over the action taken against the person who posted the tweets against Zubair. The court added that considering the nature of the tweets, the police would remiss in its duty if the directions of the Supreme Court were not enforced. The Delhi Police's counsel then assured the court that the directions of the Apex Court would be followed and that appropriate action would be taken. The matter has now been listed for hearing on September 14th. Stay tuned. A Delhi court today granted no objection for issuance of fresh passport to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for a period of 3 years. Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Vaibhav Mehta of Rouse Avenue Courts partly allowed Rahul Gandhi's application seeking no objection for issuance of fresh ordinary passport to him for 10 years after he surrendered his diplomatic passport on being disqualified as a member of parliament. The application was moved by Gandhi in the National Herald case filed by former MP Subramaniam Swamy against him in Rouse Avenue Courts. He, along with his mother Sonia Gandhi, was granted bail in the case in December 2015. However, the court had not put any condition regarding travel on him. Opposing the application, Swamy contended that Gandhi had no valid or effective reason for the passport to be issued to him for 10 years. Thank you for watching. If you wish to know more details about the cases I mentioned here, you can check the links given in the description box below. Stay ahead with quick legal updates only on Live Law. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe and support us.